Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start with safety and immediate action. Put on goggles, an N95 mask, and gloves. Remove loose grit and wipe the edge with rubbing alcohol so grit won't scratch. Next, mark the profile and clamp a sanding block to guide you. Begin sanding with 120 grit wet/dry paper. Use light, even passes along the edge. Once the surface feels uniform, rinse and inspect. This first course sanding removes chips and establishes the shape you will refine. Once the profile is set, progress systematically through medium grits to remove scratches. Switch to 220 grit, then 400 grit, keeping the sandpaper wet to minimize heat and embedment. Make controlled, overlapping strokes in the same direction so you don't create new gouges, and make sure to maintain the established angle throughout. Frequently wipe and inspect under good light. If you still see lines from the prior grit, keep sanding until they vanish, because polishing later won't hide those deeper marks. You finish by moving to fine polishing. Use 800 to 1,500 grit pads or a cream polishing compound on a low-speed polisher. Keep pressure light and move steadily. Then buff by hand with a microfiber cloth to achieve uniform sheen. If you want extra protection, apply a stone-safe sealant following product directions. If you notice haze or remaining scratches after polishing, don't panic. Resand back to the last grit that produced no defects.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.